Ever wondered how YouTubers make money? It might seem like a mystery, but today we're going to unravel that enigma and show you how to monetize a YouTube channel. First and foremost, to start earning, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program. This program requires you to meet a few criteria before you can start reaping its benefits. For starters, you need to have at least 500 subscribers to your channel. Additionally, you should have 3 public uploads within the past 90 days. Moreover, you need to rack up either 3,000 watch hours in the past year or 3 million YouTube Shorts views within the last 90 days. Once you've met these criteria and become a member of the YouTube Partner Program, a world of monetization opportunities opens up to you. You can start earning through features like channel memberships, super chat, super stickers, super thanks, and YouTube shopping. Now, if you're aiming to earn from YouTube AdSense, the bar is set slightly higher. You need to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year. The amount of money you can make from these programs is not set in stone. It varies greatly and is impacted by factors such as views, audience location, and content category. The rate per 1,000 views, also known as RPM, ranges from $1.61 to $29.30. However, don't be discouraged if you're just starting out and don't have a huge following. Even YouTube creators with fewer followers can secure decent incomes. In fact, some creators have reported earning as much as $213 in a month. It's also essential to remember that YouTube takes a 45% cut from the rates paid by advertisers for every 1,000 ad views. The remaining amount goes to the creators. The rate can fluctuate based on the subject matter of the video. For instance, videos covering personal finance topics tend to attract a more lucrative audience. So, to summarize, monetizing a YouTube channel involves joining the YouTube Partner Program, meeting certain criteria, and taking advantage of features like channel memberships and YouTube shopping. You can also earn through YouTube AdSense if you have a larger following. The amount of money you can make varies based on numerous factors, but even smaller channels can make a decent income. Remember, YouTube takes a cut from the ad rates, and these rates can differ based on the content of your videos. It's a brave new world out there for content creators, so go forth and monetize.